Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by making safety immediate. Unplug the steamer and confirm the breaker is off so you can work without risk. Once done, drain the tank and remove covers to expose the pump and heating element. This exposes the likely fault areas. Use a multimeter to test continuity at the element and thermostat so you know whether to replace parts. Make sure to photograph wiring for reassembly. Those images save time and prevent mistakes later. You now isolate the problem. Test the heating element, thermostat, and pressure switch one by one so you discover the failing component. If readings are out of range, remove and replace the part. Elements often show open circuit when burned out. Clean scale from pipes and valves using descaler to restore flow. Obstructed flow causes poor steaming and overheating. Resecure electrical connections and replace any frayed wires. You finish by reassembling panels and restoring power, but do not walk away. Refill the tank and run a controlled steam cycle while watching for leaks and abnormal sounds. Make sure pressure builds steadily and steam output is consistent. Uneven output often means trapped air or a partial blockage. If performance is still poor, test the thermostat reset or inspect error codes if available. This single troubleshooting tip often points directly to the remaining faulty control or sensor that needs service.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.